This is the Hello Plum H26 Pro, an always-on display. Twist your wrist, you can light it up into one of the many watch faces available, or it'll go back out again. Double tap it, you can bring it up, cover it, you can shut it off. Lots of different controls on this one. Swipe down, notifications sent from your phone. Left and right don't do anything because all you need really is up. Swipe up, or roll the crown. You get date and time, weather in your area, forecast information, blood oxygen is there, your overall step count, and any of these you can go into. You can dive deeper into all of the information that's available there. You got heart rate too. This is your last night's sleep time. You got a music player that you can play music from either the phone or right in the watch. If you transfer music over to it, it'll do it directly there. I've got it set up to play from the phone right now. Hear that coming out? And I can switch to local mode, and there's songs that are on the watch itself. You got 1 gigabyte of storage you can do that with. Really nice. After that, ladies, your cycle information, most recently used apps, all apps, just swipe up, you can get into them. Your basic workout, heart rate, blood oxygen, you've seen that. You can download ebooks. You got a compass built in this one with 3 different beautiful displays of how you present that information. Phone calling, of course, is Bluetooth calling. It's IP68 waterproof. Messages, mindfulness. You got a voice memo recorder in here that'll go for up to 24 hours if you want to just like record away. Timers, countdown timers, stopwatches in this one, calendar, remote camera. The stopwatch runs in the background, and you have a variety of different ways of displaying the information. It goes on and on. Calendar in here, calculator, noise, games are in this one. Your social coding for NFC, transfer of all of your data that you have in there as well. When you switch out of the watch face, you can see you have a variety of different ones. You can make your own like this, or install a variety of them from their dial store, or take the canned ones that you've got, and they all have integrated always-on displays too. It is the Hello Plum H26 Pro. Check it out.